Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels explode with millions of subscribers while others struggle to get even 100 views? The truth is, success on YouTube doesn't start with an expensive camera. It doesn't start with perfect editing. And it doesn't even start with viral ideas. It starts with choosing the right niche. In 2026, YouTube is more competitive than ever. Millions of videos are uploaded every single day, so creating great content alone isn't enough anymore. You need a niche that combines high audience demand, strong earning potential, low to medium competition, long-term growth opportunities. In today's video, I'll share 15 of the best YouTube niches for 2026 that can help you grow faster, build a loyal audience, and create multiple income streams. So let's get started. What is a YouTube niche? Before we dive into the list, let's answer one important question. What exactly is a YouTube niche? A niche is simply the main topic your channel focuses on. For example, if your videos are about smartphones, your niche is technology. If you teach investing, your niche is personal finance. If you create travel videos, your niche is travel. Choosing the right niche helps YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. AI and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is transforming almost every industry. Millions of people are searching for ways to use AI in their daily lives and businesses. Content ideas include ChatGPT tutorials, AI tools, AI automation, AI business ideas, AI news, AI productivity, CPM, very high. Why it works. New AI tools launch almost every week, giving creators endless content opportunities. Personal finance and investing. Money is something everyone wants to learn more about. People constantly search for advice on budgeting, investing, credit cards, passive income, side hustles, retirement planning. CPM, extremely high. This niche also attracts premium advertisers. Technology and gadget reviews. Technology never stops evolving. Every year brings new smartphones, laptops, smart home devices, wearables, AI gadgets. People usually watch reviews before making a purchase, which keeps this niche consistently popular. The uploaded guide identifies tech reviews as one of YouTube's biggest categories because viewers actively seek buying advice. Online education and skill learning. Education has become one of YouTube's strongest evergreen categories. You can teach coding, Microsoft Excel, English, mathematics, physics, career skills. The best part? People are always willing to learn valuable skills. YouTube growth and content creation. Millions of new creators join YouTube every year. Many want help with channel growth, SEO, thumbnails, video editing, monetization, analytics. If you've already learned YouTube yourself, you can teach others. Podcasts and interviews. Long-form conversations continue to grow in popularity. People enjoy business interviews, success stories, entrepreneurship, self-improvement, technology discussions. The guide also notes that captions and short clips can help podcasts reach more viewers across short-form platforms. Gaming. Gaming remains one of the largest entertainment categories on YouTube. Content ideas include gameplay, live streams, reviews, walkthroughs, tips and tricks. Gaming continues to be one of YouTube's biggest entertainment niches. Documentary and video essays. If you enjoy storytelling and research, this niche is perfect. Topics include history, science, business, mysteries, psychology. Essay-style videos combine education with entertainment and continue attracting dedicated audiences. Health and fitness. Health is always in demand. Content ideas include nutrition, healthy recipes, weight loss, yoga, home workouts, mental wellness. This niche also offers strong sponsorship opportunities. Travel and vlogging. People love authentic travel experiences. You can create videos about travel guides, hotels, local food, budget trips, daily lifestyle. The uploaded guide notes that travel and lifestyle vlogs remain popular because viewers enjoy real-life experiences. Animation and storytelling. You don't even need to appear on camera. Create animated stories, educational videos, kids content, business explainers. The guide highlights animation as a growing niche because it can explain ideas visually. Beauty and makeup. Beauty remains one of YouTube's largest industries. Popular content includes tutorials, product reviews, skincare, beauty tips. The uploaded guide describes this niche as being driven by tutorials, product reviews, and beauty trends. E-commerce and online business. Online business continues to grow worldwide. Content ideas, Shopify, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, digital products, print on demand, video editing. Every creator wants to make better videos. Teach, Filmora, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, Canva. This niche also pairs well with affiliate marketing. Freelancing and remote work. Remote work is now a long-term trend. Create content around Fiverr, Upwork, remote jobs, client acquisition, online careers. How to choose the right niche. Before starting your channel, ask yourself 5 simple questions. Do I genuinely enjoy creating content about this topic? Is there a real audience searching for it? Can I monetize this niche through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or my own products? Can I offer something different from other creators? Can this niche grow into multiple content ideas over the next several years? The uploaded guide recommends evaluating passion, audience demand, monetization, competition, and long-term expansion before choosing a niche. Best niches for beginners in 2026. If you're just starting, these are my top recommendations: AI tools, personal finance, YouTube tips, online education, tech reviews, health and fitness, podcast clips, documentary videos, animation, travel. Remember, the biggest mistake new creators make is chasing trends instead of building expertise. A trending topic might give you a few viral videos, but the right niche can build a successful YouTube channel for years. Choose a niche you enjoy. Create valuable content consistently. Keep improving with every upload. And let YouTube reward your persistence over time. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.